Hello class, let's take a look at the Cisco Networking Academy. Here's the site, log-on page here. And before you log on, you'll get an invite from Cisco that your instructor will set up. We're probably going to ask for what email address you want to use. Now, I had used a personal email address from my student account here that from Comcast that I rarely use, but I thought I'd try it for this. So you'll get something like this from Cisco after your instructor has set up the class with you as a student, and you'll click on accept, and you'll log in with the email address that this invitation arrives at, and then you'll want to click on forgot my password to set up your password the first time once you get set up. If you are using a Google account, Cisco's got an arrangement with a Google account. We're a little more convenient, like a single sign-on arrangement. But once you get logged in, then you'll go to My Learning and look at the course and see what your class involves and go through the steps. So I'm going to log in my student account here, so they want to know what it is. So let's put my Comcast email that I rarely use, so perfect for this, right? And the password. Hopefully I got it right the first time. If not, it'll tell me. Okay, great, I got it. Now in this case, this is for a CIT 48B class. Your class may be different, and you're going to make sure you're at My Learning here. I'm going to click on the course and go into it, and here's the kind of the outline of the course here. You can see, and this one is just a basic training tutorial on Cisco Packet Tracer. It won't take more than 2 hours, and you'll get a welcome video here. You'll go through these steps that you see in the outline here. You'll download the Cisco Packet Tracer. That's one of the things you could do. This course is used for many of the Cisco training classes, so it's kind of a starter foundation class that gets you familiar with the Packet Tracer environment. There's an overview of the class. There's a Packet Tracer interface. And then here's a little bit more information, and there's a summary of the course right down here. There should be maybe there isn't a quiz here. Where's the quiz? Summary. And here it is, the final exam. So you want to take the exam, and there's not many questions. You just need a 70% to pass. This is a short course, but if you go through this first, you get familiar with how to use a packet tracer. That's a skill set that's going to stay with you. And there are other courses on Cisco that are really handy. So just kind of keep that in mind. You have, I think, we have a grade book here. You can reference and see how you did. Some additional resources here, but hopefully you find this helpful. Don't be afraid of it. It's it's the first step sometimes in getting familiar with online training in the tech environment. So if you have any questions, make sure you email your instructor. All right, bye for now.